Welcome guys, this is step 2 in how to solve a 3 by 3 cube, that is making the first layer. In step 1 we made the cross and now this is the end result. And now we will make the first layer as well as the white face. Now what we have to do in this step, we will only be focusing on the white corners, which will be 4 in number. These white corners will be white, red, green, white, blue, red, white, orange, green, white, orange, blue. Now what we have to do is, first of all, these corners will only be in the upper layer or in the down layer. We don't have to see whether the white color is facing us or not. All we have to do is find a white corner in the down layer and keep it in the right layer. Not like this as it is in the left layer. If it is like this, we will just rotate our cube and bring the white corner into the right layer. Now we will keep this corner in just below the piece it is supposed to be when the cube is solved. I will show you with an example. Now as you can see, this white, red, and blue piece is supposed to in this, as you can see, the white, red and blue piece is supposed to be beside red and blue. Now if we keep so we will keep this corner directly below the position it is supposed to be. As you can see, it is here right now. We will keep it directly below the intended position it should go into. Now as you can see, it is just below it, and then we will do this algorithm: r prime d prime r d, 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 r prime d prime r d. Now this is just one algorithm and have to repeat it depending. You have to repeat it as many times until the piece is into its correct position. Now we will find another corner piece in the down layer, and we will keep the cube and we will keep and okay. For example, this, but it is in the left layer. So what we will do is we will rotate the cube. So now this corner piece is in the right layer. I will rotate the upper two layers. Now is this the position it should go in? No, as you can see, it is blue and orange, not orange and green. Then we will rotate the upper two layers again, and now here it is its correct position. See, orange and green, orange and green. Then we will repeat the algorithm: r prime d prime r d, 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 r prime d prime r d. Now we have another corner piece in the down layer, which is white, red and green. Now is it the position? Is it the correct position for this piece? No, as it is blue and orange, not red and green. Is it the correct? No, red and blue, not red and green. Yes, this is the correct position. As it is green and red. So we will again do the algorithm: r prime d prime r d, 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 r prime d prime r d. Now this corner piece is again in the down layer. I will show an exception where the piece can be in the upper layer. For that, I will just bring it into the upper layer position. Yeah. Now as you can see, it is in the upper layer position. So now what we have to do is have to remove it and bring it to the down layer back. So what we will do is we will keep this rotated. We will keep the white corner which is in the upper layer on our right layer and do this algorithm again: r prime d prime r d. As you can see, it has come in the down layer. Now we will keep this white corner piece in our right layer and do this algorithm, and we will bring it below the position it is supposed to be in. Then is it? No. Then we will move the upper two layers, blue and orange. So yes, it is the correct position. Now we will do r prime d prime r d again, r prime d prime r d, and it has come in the position in just one rotation of this algorithm. So now we have made the first layer, and step 3 will be solving the middle layer of this cube.